Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is a gothic beauty and I am your fairy brown mother.
Today we have the Profusion Harry Potter Advent Calendar.
Okay, I saw this in the store, the Walmart, and I was like, one of us has to do it.
So I looked at the collection. Neither of us are big Harry potheads.
No.
But this collection was really cute. So
Very cute.
I was like, I'll get it. The collection's cute. There was a couple of things I was kind of interested in anyway. So here we are. This was $19.97 at the Walmart. Got a discount because I work there, but sorry. It's a 12-day calendar. It's so cute.
So stinking cute. If you're a Harry Potter fan, what house do you rep?
Slytherin.
Like, that's a thing people have been asking. And I'm like, what does that mean? I don't know, but what house do we rep?
This is super cute. Okay, so we're going to do this the same way. You get to...
Okay.
Number one.
Day number 1. It's a biggin. You know I hate these things.
I know, use the shiv.
Shit.
Don't judge our shivings.
It's ugly, I know. Oh my gosh.
Don't stab yourself. Ooh, okay. This is the Hogsmeade Lights 3-shade palette. This packaging is adorable.
Ooh.
Okay. So this is not too tame for me. Like, this is a color store I'll use. I'm assuming this is eyeshadow.
I'm going blush.
What's that then?
That's contour.
That's not contour. Look at me.
It is.
Let's be realistic. This is an eyeshadow palette.
Is it?
I'm not sure because it's small. Does it say on the back?
Oh, I'm sure I can't see that.
It just says 3-shade palette.
So maybe it's like a multi-face situation. You can do
You
with
do
it as
what
you
you
need.
want.
Fine. Love it.
I'm going to use it as eyeshadow.
Blush.
I'm going to swatch this guy.
You are.
Why not?
Why not? Ooh. That was beautiful. I want to touch it. These are so buttery.
Yeah, that's nice. So that is literally the color of my skin. That's that shimmer. We're going to add some more. You see it better on Jen.
It's a little powdery, but I can tell that it's going to blend very, very nicely.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a pretty story, like a pretty simple eye.
Uh-huh.
No thought, just do it.
A nice little kind of, I think that'd be a nice Christmas look.
Oh, yes.
That red?
That's a beautiful eye.
Okay.
All right.
Number 2.
Number 2.
So far, we're doing
Love
good.
this.
Yes. Because you know that probably retails for $10.
Probably.
Ish. Most Profusion stuff is in that range, 8 to 12. Oh. We got a little blondie guy.
It's a puffalump.
There's a fireball on it. It's kind of like got little divots in the side. Is that from
I don't know if it's
being squished in there? Maybe?
It might fluff out. It might
does
fluff
have
and
the
puff.
little Harry Potter logo on it.
Oh, yeah.
It feels nice too.
It felt very nice.
It's a nice size for doing like under eye situations or.
Yep.
Can always use more sponges because you know the ones I have are
Should be thrown away.
ganky. I don't know. There's a little magic wand on the cover of that one. Is it a wand?
It is.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
Who is this?
that's cute.
Profusion, Harry Potter. Oh, volumizing mascara. But look at the little packaging, his little glasses, and his little scar.
Ah,
Cute.
Love it.
I don't mind a sample trial
same.
mascara situation in the slightest bit. In fact, I might put that away and save that for vacation in the spring.
Let's do it.
I thought you were going to stab yourself.
I mean, would you be surprised?
No.
This is not very user friendly.
This says platform 9 3/4, which is where they get on the train.
I'm sure I have no idea.
Liquid Lumos Jelly Highlighter.
Mm.
Oh, a little safety sealer. A little double safety sealer.
It's a doublet.
Ooh.
So that doesn't look chunky like Color Pops.
No. Oh, it's goopy though.
Oh, that's going to be pretty. I don't mind this one bit, actually. This is not in your face, aggressive.
It looks very wet on my hand, but it's really kind of shimmery. It smells like plastic.
It does. But you see, it's sparkly.
Yeah, it's quite sparkly.
I don't think you can see it.
I don't think it's picking up on camera very good.
No, but it's really is pretty.
It's
It looks
pretty.
like a pretty
Chesticle situation.
chesticle. Maybe, you know, if you did a little
Date night.
Yeah.
You'd have to go real light with it on your face.
Yeah. Because it looks like it could be greasy. Did someone try to hurt
I
you?
got a wound.
Oh. Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Are we number 5?
This is number 5.
This made the whole thing worth it. This is a pressed highlighter in Hogwarts Radiance. Package is super cute again.
Super cute.
This is what I looked at.
Is it?
You know,
It's baked, it looks.
it does look baked. It says pressed though. I would definitely call it pressed. Kind of a champagne-y.
It does not look like it's something that's going to stand out enough for you.
This would be like a daytime.
That's like a no makeup day for
Yeah.
you.
It's really pretty.
It's very pretty. It's very natural on you. Ooh. 5. Oh.
They're in order actually on this calendar, which is unusual.
But kind of nice.
Yeah,
like I'm not
usually they're kind of
searching.
here and there and all over the place. Okay.
Okay.
This is for the highlighter.
Yeah.
It's just a little cute Harry Potter. Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
This would here. Let's try this out.
Oh.
It sounds scratchy, but
It really doesn't sound very soft, does it?
it doesn't feel scratchy.
Oh, wow. That's a beautiful highlight.
Well, I mean, I had highlight on.
I know, but it enhanced it.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. Definitely performs a little different with a blush or a brush than it did swatching it.
Yeah.
This would be good in a travel bag
Mm-hmm.
for that particular type of thing.
Yes.
Or a contour.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 7.
Nothing.
She struggles. These little doors on these things are not.
There's nothing to see here.
Oh my God. Here.
Are we just ripping it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is a shadow stick in the color Phoenix. One of the movies is something of the Phoenix. I love a gold eye looks.
Dance of the Phoenix.
Is it dance?
I don't know. Phoenix, Arizona. Ooh.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Is that the kind of gold you like? Or the kind of...
Kind of more a copper. Yeah, I like more orangey gold. I'll use that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So far, this is good.
Yeah.
Number 8.
Ooh.
This is nourishing lip oil.
Yes. Oh, so they have little lip oils that I was looking at.
Yeah. I don't hate this color at all.
It's very pigmented, I bet. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay. It's not very pigmented.
No, it looks very
Your
dark
swatch
on me,
was
though.
thick. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look how different it looks on us, Shannon. That's weird.
Well, because you're darker underneath of it. I'll use it. I'll absolutely use it.
I think it's beautiful.
And I like sometimes some part of me likes when they're little like this, especially a lip oil situation, because this is something I'm going to put in my pocket and apply throughout the day.
Yeah. We definitely use lip oils for different reasons.
Yes. I use them at like a balm situation. What is, oh, it's an eyelash curler.
Oh. Okay. No. No. Sorry.
Probably not.
Probably not.
It's cute.
I'd be scared that I would pinch it off the lid.
No.
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 Okay, let's try again.
Okay. That was number 9?
This is number
10.
10.
Okay. Ooh, blush. It's a Yule Ball, oh, it's the bouncy blush.
You're going to love it. You're going to love it.
We're going to swatch it because I'm not sure about this color, so it might go home with you.
It is, I think it'll sheer out enough that I think it'll sheer out. Give it a second.
So it looks kind of berry here. It looks red here.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That's going to be beautiful on you.
Yes. And I've been doing cream blusher things.
She has. I love that.
The texture of it reminds me a lot of that Stranger Things one.
Does it?
Yeah.
Like it's kind of
a little bit
balmy.
balmy. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Which is, yeah.
Because it spreads easy.
Oh.
Okay.
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 A Harry Potter keychain. If you're a Harry Potter fan, I probably wouldn't be mad to get this.
Right.
I mean, it's metal.
Mm-hmm. It's a good
It's
quality.
good quality. I know someone that I'm going to give this
That's
to.
the Targaryens.
No, that's Hogwarts.
Oh.
That's the school. Drago Dormian. I don't want to read that. It's probably a spell.
Gosh, you're going to call Frederick out.
Okay. Cute.
Okay.
Cute.
All right.
If I were a Harry Potter fan, that would be fine.
Okay, this is your grand finale.
I would be better. I would be happy. I'm happier getting that than I am like a face sticker situation.
Yeah, a barrette.
A barrette. One barrette.
Ooh.
Oh. A temporary tattoo.
This is day 12.
This is supposed to be... Maybe we're supposed to count down with
Were we supposed to do this backwards?
And this was day 1. Because that would have made the eyeshadow palette the last day.
And that would have made more sense.
So if you buy this and give it to somebody, tell them to open it backwards. Because this is disappointing for day 12. Where if this were the last day, the whole thing was ramping up. This would have been great for the last day.
Yes.
So if you gift it to someone, tell them to open it backwards. I mean, they're fine. If you are a Harry Potter fan and you are 8 years old.
You'll love it.
When you're a grown woman, though, this is not it.
I think they could have done something.
I would have rather had a barrette.
Okay. Yeah.
Because a barrette I'll at least use if I'm doing face things or something.
Headband or...
headband.
Yeah. So, give me something.
Up until the end, it was great.
I agree.
I would say definitely worth the $20.
Yes.
Not mad at the price point of this one bit. I know I like Profusion's eyeshadows. The highlights are pretty. The lip oil's
Beautiful.
beautiful. Got a mascara. I got a new makeup sponge. I'm interested in trying that blush. So now I've got a little one instead of buying a full-size one.
The glitter will be interesting to see.
The glitter
How-
highlight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To see what we
it's
do
going
with
here
that.
on date night.
Ooh, her birthday's coming up.
Her birthday is coming up. And her and the
Her
man
friend. Her man friend.
the man friend are planning a thing. So
Yeah.
we might have glitter testicles that night.
Beautiful.
The eyeshadow crayon.
Yeah, that's interesting.
A
Yeah.
product I haven't tried from them. So
And it was creamy and nice and
yeah,
delicious.
it went on real nice and smooth. It's still pretty.
Yep.
It's still there. So I think they're so good.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a Harry Potter fan, because like that keychain was nice.
Yeah.
It's not for me. Profusion.
Stop watching Colored Pop.
This was fully.
Colored Pop is not your
This was fully filler.
idol.
This was filler. Give
Completely.
me another brush. Give me an actual lipstick.
Yeah. You could have done better than that.
If it were $25 and I'd gotten a lipstick instead of this, I wouldn't be mad. I would have felt like I got my money's worth. So, oh, I got goop on that.
So to be fair, I think everything, like, you know, typically makeup is for older people or, you know, adult teenagers.
I know there's like a new Harry Potter show or something coming out, but the Harry Potter fans, the potheads or whatever they call themselves, are our age. Or within 10 years of us, because those are the people that were reading it in the middle school, and when the movies came out we were 20 years old.
Yeah. And so this right here is
Disappointing.
weird.
Yeah.
So,
What do you think? Would you be disappointed to get temporary tattoos
on your last day,
on your last day? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
ding the ring.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.